The Laṅkāvatāra Sūtra, Chapter 2, Part 51. Mahāmati again asked the Buddha, Bhagavan, when the Buddha speaks of dependent origination, he speaks of causes and conditions, and does not speak of a self. Bhagavan, followers of other paths also speak of causes and conditions, namely that whatever exists arises as a result of a supreme deity or force, or time, or minute particles. When the Bhagavan says whatever exists arises as a result of causes and conditions, is his position the same or different? Bhagavan, followers of other paths say, what exists comes from what exists, or what does not exist, while the Bhagavan says what exists comes from what does not exist, and once it arises, it ceases. According to the Bhagavan, ignorance is the condition of memory, and so on up to old age and death. But this, Bhagavan, is a teaching of no causes, not a teaching of causes. The teaching established by the Bhagavan goes like this. Because this exists, that exists. It does not acknowledge a gradual existence. The teaching of other schools would appear to be superior, not that of the Tathagata. And how so? Because according to other schools, Bhagavan, the cause does not arise from conditions, but gives rise to what exists. Whereas the Bhagavan says the effect is discernible in the cause, and the cause is discernible in the effect, which confuses causes and conditions, and which thus forms an endless circle. The Buddha told Mahāmati, I do not teach that there are no causes, nor do I confuse causes and conditions. Rather, because this exists, that exists, the non-existence of what grasps and what is grasped, and the awareness that these are nothing but perceptions of one's own mind. Mahāmati, as long as people cling to what grasps or what is grasped, and are unaware that these are nothing but perceptions of their own mind, it is they who mistake the existence or non-existence of external objects, not my teaching of dependent origination. I have always taught that things arise due to the conjunction of causes and conditions, not that they arise without a cause.